Welcome to Space Night Hostel in Berlin. And it's designed to give you the illusion of being on a spaceship. And this is the lobby, okay? And this is very cool. And you got a little astronaut in the lobby, okay? And you can just kind of follow along. I'll show you the place. Let me show you my spaceship. Each of these pods that you see are individual rooms. And it's, I'll have the similar amenities.
These are the double pods.
These are the double ones. We have single ones. But you really have the illusion of being on a spaceship. It's kind of cool. Yeah, these are the double pods, and we are staying in the single pods. As you come down the hallway here, these are all the single pods. And you're assigned a pod with a card. And all you do is scan the card, push open your pod, and you can't really see in there, it's a little too dark.
Once you're inside and your key is in the pod, then all the quiet please, do not disturb come on. Oh, here honey, this is a double. This is what the double looks like. It's the same except double the size.
And you have the bathroom facilities in here. Each room has its own toilet and shower.
This is a communal WC, bathroom, toilet, but they are all individual rooms. So you don't have to be in like a locker room. You have your sink with your mirror, and if you click this, there you go. You've got your makeup mirror. Loo, warming towel rack, and a waterfall shower. All very clean and private. And quite a few amenities for a hostel. I mean, the fact that you have a makeup mirror and a warm tiling rack and a waterfall shower, it's pretty impressive. Just missing a bidet.
So we're very comfortable here. It's actually very nice. So it's pretty expansive. And it's dark. It always feels like you're either in orbit or you're on a spaceship somewhere.
Yeah, and the light usually changes. For some reason they turned on the lights above our area. But normally it's dark with these changing LED lights at night, which are awesome. So they just keep waving by.
The facilities are pretty comfortable. You're going to be surprised at how comfortable it is. Just so you know, just FYI, there is an accessible pod, an accessible restroom, and you can access the facility through an elevator.
I've been attacked by alien goo. So I just opened up my bag, and this stuff that I had did the unexpected. This is what I use to like clean my equipment. Somehow it leaked like liquid. That's how hot it got today, all over everything, including the camera. I cleaned most of it off of the camera, but it did manage, of course, to get inside the chargers and inside the batteries. So I'm going to be cleaning alien goo out of everything today, and hopefully get it all out. Shut these. See if I can do it with one hand. Yep.
Take a look at her pod. Why, hi, River.
Well, hi. Welcome to my pod. So let me show you around. This
is my oasis. You can mess with the lights, so you can have just white light, just blue light, both. You have the air outlet, you're safe. You put your key in here, it turns on this entire panel and the lights for the space. This is a table that you can pull out and use for your laptop, eating, what have you. I used it last night to watch a movie. Go Jonesy. They give you some really comfortable bedding, and it's like high thread count. You got a big Euro pillow, that's your pillow. And you can fold it in half or do whatever you want with it. They give you a really comfy duvet. You have a reading light there. You also have on both sides coat rack hooks. You have shelves on both sides. There's also a little shelf over on this side. After you close the doors, you have the button for the exit, the vent. Here's a coat hook, little shelf here where I put my toiletries and other essentials. You also have 2 USB plugs. Now, if you have, like me, a later version of an iPhone, and so it doesn't have the USB plug, it now has the USB-C, you actually can use your adapter. Mark will show you out here, everyone has the power outlet hanging off of there. But that's where you can at least use it if you need to actually plug in your device and you don't have a USB. There's also an alarm clock panel. Smoke alarm. There's vents on both sides, which you also can control from the panel. And you also have a reading lamp. It's a nice little halogen reading lamp, which is adjustable. And a really great makeup mirror. If you turn on the white light, it surrounds the mirror and cuts through. So it's great for any detail that you might need.
It does look like a movie set, doesn't it?
It really does. That's why I wanted to get the single capsule, so we felt more like we were actually on a spaceship and I could watch a scary movie in here, so that's what I did. And the safe you set with your own combination, by the way. Again, they do have lockers for you, which fit both of our large carry-on bags. You have the safe, and they also have a larger baggage room that they keep locked, but people do come in and out of that room that they let in, so just know that, you know, keep your valuables either in your locker or in your safe here in your capsule. So it's actually, right now it's about 90 degrees outside, and this feels comfortable. The air is flowing nicely. Lots of room. Actually, it's very comfy in here. I'm 5'2". You should be able to fit a 6'2" person in here and be fine. Very nice, and I am going to enjoy my room now. Hey, even space agey looking. Look at that. It looks so space agey. Ooh. They're coming to get you, Martha.